the creator of us all. Be brotherhood standing strong and tall. See caliphs, leaders of our past, D-dates a sweet and healthy fast. Eidul Adha, a day of sacrifice, Fajr to wake up feeling nice. Gift sharing is a sunnah, each house a blessing for the ummah. Inshallah, if Allah wills it so, Jai Jummah the best day we know. Hey, knowledge to learn and to grow, library where bright ideas flow. And Muhammad, our prophet, kind and true. And neighbors, be kind in all you do. Oh, all is a fruit full of life. We pray to make our future bright. Q Quran guidance for our life, our rain mercy from the sky, as sun shining way up high, teacher guiding us to learn. You ummah united at every turn, we veil our modesty and grace. Wobble world a beautiful vast place, X-ray fish wonders of the sea. We yacht sailing